Discover the Weight Reset, your step-by-step blueprint to lose weight without losing yourself, by Laeticia Igboayaka. Welcome to Joy Life Network. I'm Laeticia Igboayaka, and today we are talking about something that could completely change how you think about weight loss. If you have been trying to lose weight but keep ending up tired, frustrated, or stuck, this video is for you. I'll show you how to reset your body naturally, lose weight without losing yourself, and finally build habits that last. So grab a glass of water, take a deep breath, and let's begin your weight reset journey. Have you ever felt tired of trying everything just to lose weight and still not feeling like yourself? I know that struggle. I've lived it too. That's why I wrote the Weight Reset. It's not another diet book. This book isn't about strict diets or punishing workouts. Gentle guide to rebuild your health, restore your confidence, and rediscover your joy one loving step at a time. This book helps you build healthy habits that actually last, without stress, guilt, or giving up the foods you love. Grab your copy today on Gumroad at www.joylifenetwork.blogspot.com and begin your journey to the healthiest, happiest version of yourself. Thanks for watching the Weight Reset. Remember, this isn't just about losing weight, it's about reconnecting with your best self. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Joy Life Network for more tips on health, fitness, and joyful living every week. And if you're ready to take your transformation to the next level, check my book, The Weight Reset, for a complete step-by-step guide to lasting results. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep shining. See you in the next video.